Practical applications of the proteomics. One, interaction of proteomics and protein networks. The second one, expression of proteomics. The third one as a biomarkers. Then proteogenomics. Then structural proteomics. Then proteomics in medicine. The another application is that bioinformatics for proteomics, that is a proteome informatics. Nanoproteomics in clinical profiles. Different immunosensors based on the gold nanoparticles for the detection of hepatitis B surface antibody in the blood. The same group also applied the immune sensors approach for the detection of serum levels of Bacillus anthracis protective antigen as well as HIV capsid P24 antigen. An important application of nanoproteomics tools resides in a cancer screening. Several plasma protein biomarkers have been associated with different types of cancer, yet their detection by current diagnostic and screening techniques is not satisfactorily sensitive. The utilization nanobiocomposite material based on the gold nanoparticles with the immobilized antibodies for the development of serum alpha fetoprotein, that is AFP immunosensors. Serum levels of alpha fetoprotein are associated with various types of tumor including germ cell tumors, liver tumors and even others. On the other hand, usage of highly sensitive electrochemical immunosensor with a sandwich type of immunoassay format to detect CEA that is associated with a multiple tumors including colorectal cancer. Furthermore, utilized horseradish peroxidase encapsulated nano gold hollow microsphere as labels for the detection of CEA, lowering the detection limit of this tumor. Nanoparticle studies have been recently integrated in the area of neuroscience, particularly in the field of stroke and brain injury, where the blood-brain barrier represents a major obstacle for drug delivery. The generated nanoparticles that carry superoxide dismutase enzyme target anti-NMDA, that is N-methyl D-aspartate receptor, that is a NMDA receptor 1 antibody. These nanoparticles were applied to a mouse model of cerebral ischemia, where the limited reperfusion injury and reduced apoptosis and inflammation, improving behavioral outcome. In addition, utilized coated PEG based liposome, that is polyethyl glycol based liposome, were you also found to be localized to a CA region of the hippocampus, suggesting a probable mode of target delivery of reactive oxidative species quenchers in the treatment of stroke have tested purine, that is PUE, a compound that suffers low availability in brain post administration as a candidate drug for the treating stroke. Purine loaded polybutyl cyanoacrylate nanoparticle, that is PBCN, coated with a polyabsorbate 80, that is simply abbreviated as PS80, were tested for blood brain barrier crossing and effects on the cerebral ischemia or reperfusion injury. It was found that the vein injection of PUE loaded PBCN exerted an improved neuroprotective effect in rats with a focal cerebral ischemia injury, significantly decreasing neurological deficit and reducing the infarct volumes. Similarly, the using polybutyl N-butyl 2-cyanoacrylate, that is PBCA nanoparticles, to deliver drug for treatment of traumatic brain injury, that is TBI. The investigator tested the capacity of nanoparticles in crossing the blood brain barrier, that is BBB, and transporting large molecules into the normal and injured brains. Of interest, at 4-hour post injury, the PBCA nanoparticle delivered drugs showed wide distribution near injured sites, indicative of an efficient delivery system for a large molecules able to overcome the blood brain barrier observed in a traumatic brain injury.